Hi Airdrop Hunters. So the Tapio incentivized testnet is currently on and it will be ending on July 26. We still have 2 days to get it done with. Tapio protocol has raised a total of $4 million in funding from investors like Polychain, and they are airdropping free Tapio tokens to users who complete simple testnet tasks. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to interact with their testnet and how to set up everything, how to do it from start to finish. I'll break it down into simple step-by-step instructions. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to set up our wallet, and to do that, if you don't have Gweli ETH in your wallet before, you will want to add the network to your MetaMask. And in order to do that, we'll be going to Chainlist. Tap on your browser chainlist.org. chainlist.org/chain/5. Okay. And then you connect your wallet. So I have unlocked my wallet. I'm going to select Add to MetaMask. I'm going to switch my network to Gweli network. So we are done adding Gweli network to our MetaMask. The next thing we want to do is to get some testnet Gweli that we will use to interact with Tapio testnet. So type on your browser gwelifaucet.com. Okay, and here you can, in the box here, you paste your address and then you will get it here. But before you can paste your address in this bar, you are expected to sign up. If you don't have an account with the website before, sign up so that you can prove that you are not a robot. Or if you already have an account, just log in. I have Gweli ETH already, so I won't be doing any sign up or login right now, but it is pretty simple. Just tap on the sign up or login button here, and then once you are done, paste your address here and then select send me ETH, and then you have testnet Gweli in your wallet. So that is how you set up your wallet for interacting with Tapio testnet, and then we'll go on with the testing itself now. So to do the testing, what we want to do is we go to test.tapio.finance/swap. I apologize, my neighbor's dog is barking, and even though I will clean up the audio a little bit, some of the barking will still reflect in my audio. I'm really sorry. Okay, so we are now on the testnet website, and the first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet. So connect with your MetaMask. Select MetaMask. Tap on next, tap on connect. So we are connected with MetaMask. Your first task on the testnet website is to swap some ETH to STETH. Okay, that is what we have on the screen now. We have ETH here and you have STETH here. So when you want to swap this for this, so indicate the amount of ETH you would like to swap for STETH. You can do 0.01. So after indicating the amount, select swap. Okay, so confirm Swap is pending. Swap successful. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is we want to mint some tap ETH. Okay, so you go to the sidebar here, go here at the sidebar menu and select mint. We want to mint some tap ETH. So to mint tap ETH, we need both ETH and STETH. Remember, you previously swapped ETH to STETH. So we need both. That is why you swapped earlier. We need both in order to mint tap ETH. So indicate the amount you would like to use to mint the tap ETH. Okay. Okay, so I have indicated the amount of ETH and STETH that I would like to use in order to mint tap ETH. So next you click on approve. Okay, so here just enter the same number that you entered now. I will enter it again. I think I entered 0.005. Okay, I'll tap on next, tap on approve. Okay, so next I'm going to tap on mint. I'll confirm in my wallet. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as you are watching, because I'll be cooking up some amazing tutorials for us on potential airdrops in the future and you don't want to miss out on these tutorials. So hit the subscribe button and also like the video if you think you have found value in my content. Okay, so we have been able to mint tap ETH successfully. The next step for us is to redeem. So I would go back and I will tap on redeem at the bottom of mint. So at the first box, I will indicate the amount of tap ETH that I want to redeem. I'll be selecting max. And then at the second box, I will choose from one of those two pools that I want to redeem from. You can choose either ETH and STETH pool or the second one. You can choose any of the two. And then make sure the button redeem in balanced proportion is turned on so that it can be in 50-50 proportion. Then click on approve. Select max, tap on next and tap on approve. And lastly, I will tap on the redeem button. I'll tap on confirm. Redeem successful. So we are done with the testnet interaction, but this is not the end. We still need to go and complete some social tasks on Zilli. So we are going to open our browser now and then we will type in the browser search bar zilli.io/c/Tapio Finance. So here is the Tapio Finance Zili page, and then the first thing you will do is to connect your Zili account with your Discord account. Select login with Discord and then follow up with the prompt in order to log in. Now that you are logged into Zili, you are going to be going through the task one after the other. We have already done all of these tasks in our Testnet interaction earlier. We minted Tapio Testnet. So just tap on the claim reward, you don't need to do anything, and it's the same for the rest of the task as well. Use swap function on Testnet, we did that earlier, so just tap on claim reward. Redeem Tapio TH, we did that earlier as well, so just tap on claim reward. Okay, so these are the social media tasks. You need to follow Tapio Finance on Twitter. So tap on the follow button and follow the prompts to follow them on Twitter. Then come back and tap on claim reward. Join Tapio Finance's Discord. Tap on the join Discord button, and after you have joined their Discord server, make sure you verify yourself. After doing the verification, then come back and tap on claim reward. Next task is to like their announcement tweet on Twitter. So tap on the task and tap on like in order to go to Twitter and then like their post on Twitter. Tap the like button and then go back to claim your reward. Next, you are to retweet the announcement tweet. Follow the same pattern, tap on the task, tap on retweet, go to Twitter and then retweet their tweet and come back to claim your reward. So the last social media task is to join Tapio Finance on Telegram. After joining them on Telegram, come back and then tap on claim reward. And that is all on that social media task. Now you see the claim NFT, you have to wait until your DApp task have been reviewed and your points have been credited to your Zili. That is when you will be able to claim the NFT. The NFT will give you OG role in their Discord server. As for the quiz part, I haven't done the quiz myself. When I do, I will post the answers in our Telegram channel. Follow our Telegram channel through the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, drop me a comment in the comment section and I will get to it.